So we've got this really cool endoscope. It has a 1080p camera with 8 LEDs on top, so you can see better in like tubes, in like whatever scenario you have, like pipes, wall cavities, seam inspection, machine inspection, motor vehicles inspection, and it has a LCD as well. So you can check it straight on that. You don't need to connect to something else. It has a battery as well, so it's really easy. You just take it out and then start looking for what the problem is or what you have to check. Let's unbox it, check it out, and see how it works. And there it is. And we've also got some things right here. We've got a manual and then some things that we can attach to like collect something that we lost in like a hard to reach place, or pick it up with a magnet or something like that, just here. And that's the actual endoscope. And as you can see, it has like a really long cable, semi-rigid. There we go. And then we have some buttons here. This is the power on. We can turn the LED on, zoom, and then we'll check right now what these are for. Another thing we forgot right here, it's a USB-C charger as well. USB-C to USB-A. So you can charge the battery on this. So that's how the back looks. It's really nice to hold in your hand, and then you can just, let's turn it on. There we go. And as you can see, it's already on. You can see the light is already on as well. We can dim the line, we can turn it off, then we can zoom a bit in. Then we can make this a bit brighter, or is changing like colors. I think this one, make it black and white, colorful, and then this is the button for making it more visible. Let's actually check this attachments as well. So there we go. This is a magnet attached. This is something with a magnet, so you can pick it up if it's like metal. Then we have a mirror, so we can actually check like in corners. Let's say it goes something like up or something like that. You can't push it further away. You have a mirror as well. Really cool. Really cool. Then you have a hook as well, which goes in one of these. And it stays there. As you can see, you can switch it the other way around as well. And then you got some other things where you can hook other things as well. And now let's check some pipes and see how it looks on the pipes. Okay, so now I have a pipe right here, and we'll check the inside of the pipe with this camera to see how it looks. So we just put the camera inside, and that's how it looks. And it has this light, and you can actually see like really down in the pipe, which is really good. This is what you want from this kind of camera. You can see inside that pipe right there, all the way, almost all the way down, which is really good. You can push it further if we want. As you can see here,